Excuse me. Do you live here?
Give it a test.
Hello, New York. How's the weather? We're in Los Angeles, which is
Did the head do a 360?
Yeah, twist.
Cool.
97 degrees with a 30% chance of everything being on fire tomorrow.
Nice.
It's really tough to control. Nice.
Maybe if we could just get some Jawas to kind of dance in the background.
The legs are working well, Jesse.
Now give me pouty.
Ladies. Hello, hello. All right. Yeah.
Let's see how these ladies react to Jesse Kingsley's Flamingo puppet.
That's right.
This puppet. He seems to be interested in our heads and feet.
We've taken Jesse Kingsley's usual puppet and replaced it with Folger's crystals. Let's see if they know the difference.
You're too skinny.
You didn't like that?